Guys, we are starting with the new chapter, and this is the theory chapter that you all are having in your module. Your first chapter, communication. And if we are completing this chapter today, then I will be putting the whole theory questions into your study material by today or tomorrow. So you have to start learning. I'm not making you all write. You all have to just go through all the answers. Answers are very much lengthy. The answers and notes that I have made are not there in this particular नोट टेक्स्ट बुक. योर मॉड्यूल में वो आंसर्स दिए नहीं है. ये अलग से मैंने नोट्स बनाई है तुम लोगों के लिए, दैट यू ऑल हैव टू लर्न. एंड इन एवरी comprehension, after every comprehension, you all are having 1 to 2 communication theory question. So you all, it is compulsory for you all to learn all the questions. No option for you in this, because in writing skills and grammar, you all know, in writing skills also you all will be knowing that what option will be coming, then you all can leave one thing. But here in this theory chapter, no option. You all have to learn all the answers. Mostly I have made 40 to 50 pages theory is there of your answers. I have made the PDF. If I complete this chapter today, I will upload it in your application, that is study material, by tomorrow. Clear? We are starting with the chapter. Fine. You all will be learning the process of communication, types of communication, varied structures and networks in communication, techniques of skilled communication, and barriers in communication. Barriers means you can say as hurdles. Clear? जैसे हम रोड पे जाते हैं, we move or when we travel on the road, by road, the speed breakers are the hurdles for us. We have to slower our car or the bike to come over and again go smoothly with our journey. So there are barriers in the communication, there are hurdles in the communication like this. There are many types of skills and techniques that you all will learn in the communication, right? Networks are there, there are structures are there, there are types of communication and process of communication. All these things that are there in this, right? Now see this. Define communication, elucidate types of communication. Means what? Describe. Now this is the thing that you all have to understand, that whenever they are going to make paper, जब भी वो लोग पेपर बनाने वाले हैं तुम लोगों का, the comprehension or the question will be having the synonym of the word that you all know. Describe word बहुत common है. Elucidate is something new. किसी को पता नहीं चलेगा कि इसका मतलब क्या है. So this is the thing that you all will be getting in your question. Clear? Then process of communication, benefits and characteristics, and barriers in communication. Clear? We start with the introduction first. Listen carefully what I am explaining it to y'all. By the explanation only many things will be clear to y'all today. आज तुम लोग को लिखना नहीं है, कुछ नहीं करना है, nothing. You all just have to open, keep your ears open and listen. And if you want, when I'm writing the notes here, just to explain you all can note it down in your module also. And those who are not having their module, they can just take a book, give the heading communication chapter 1, introduction, on what point or topic or a word I have written something, you all can write in front of that. Again, next, if I am explaining the barriers, then barriers in that which point I have explained, you all can write according to that. Clear? Fine, please start. Communication from Latin. Communication is from Latin word that is communicare. What is the meaning of communicare? It means to share. It means to share. And share means, guys, share means nothing, that means to express. Clear? To share means to express. It is a process of exchanging information, ideas, thoughts, feelings, emotions through what? Through speech, signals, writing, or behavior. It is very important, guys. Whenever we are about to share, right? Now, whenever I am talking to you all, when I am communicating to you all, what I am doing? I am sharing my knowledge. अभी ये तुम लोग को मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. I am teaching you all what I am doing. I am sharing what knowledge I am having. If I am keeping it with me only, then it is of no use. सिर्फ मेरे लिए ही यूज है, पर वो मेरे लिए थोड़ी यूज है. वो मैंने पढ़ के समझ के मेरा क्वालिफिकेशन लेके वो मेरा हो गया खत्म. बट व्हेन आई एम अबाउट टू शेयर, व्हेन आई एम मेकिंग योर लर्न, that is called communication, and that is called communicare. Communicare means to express, means to share. और communication word guys कभी complete होता है पता है? When I am talking to y'all and y'all are giving me response, तो वो communication complete होता है. Otherwise there is no communication. मैं अकेली बड़बड़ कर रही हूँ, then that is not called communication. When someone is giving me the response or a reply, or you all are asking me the doubts, that means ये नहीं, ये क्यों है, miss why it is like this, and XYZ more. So that is called communication is completed or communication is continuing. Clear? And how we share and express our knowledge, or we express our thoughts, by ideas, by feelings. What we feel. अभी मुझे कुछ खाने का मन कर रहा है तो मैं किचन में जाके कुछ बना लूंगी. यार मुझे आज मैगी खानी है, या फिर मुझे आज रोटी और सब्जी खानी है, मुझे आज XYZ, whatever it is I want to eat. Rather I will tell to my mother, or I will make it by myself. This is what I am sharing my feeling, right? जब भी मैं मेरे थॉट्स, मेरी फीलिंग्स किसी और के साथ शेयर करती हूँ तो वो कम्युनिकेशन हो जाता है. अभी आई हैव गिवन द एग्जाम, मेरा रिजल्ट आया है, आई हैव गॉट अ गुड मार्क्स, आई एम वेरी मच हैप्पी. मैं सबको बता रही हूँ मैं पास हो गई, मैं आई गॉट ए ग्रेड, आई गॉट ए प्लस एंड ऑल दैट स्टफ. व्हाट आई एम शेयरिंग? माय हैप्पीनेस फीलिंग. On the next thing, if I'm failed or I have got less marks, then आई एम शेयरिंग माई इमोशंस, मैं बहुत दुखी हूँ. आई एम वेरी मच सैड दैट यार मैंने ये मार्क्स सोचे थे मुझे मिले नहीं, सो आई हैव स्कोर्ड लेस. आई एम शेयरिंग द इमोशन विथ माई पेरेंट्स और माई फ्रेंड्स XYZ. Clear? Through what? Through speech. How I'm communicating? I'm communicating through what? सबसे important, I'm sharing or I'm communicating through speech or signals. Mostly those who can't speak, signal से बात करते हैं, by hand signals. और तुम लोग के लिए ये common होगा. Why? Because when you all are giving the exams, your eyes are talking, your hands are and fingers are talking for copying purpose. That is communication through signals. When you all are writing the exam, when you all are writing the exam, what question paper I have made, you all are writing the paper, I am checking it and I am giving you all the marks. What is this? This is the written communication. I am coming to know, I am getting to know how much you all are knowing about the particular subject or my subject. Clear? किसी को चिट लिख के भेजना या फिर we are writing and giving something, हम किसी को कुछ गिफ्ट देते हैं, we are putting a tag from this person. By written also we are communicating कि आप लोगों ने या फिर मैंने तुम लोगों को गिफ्ट दिया तो उस पे लिखा है it is for particular person or student's name, I am writing on it. When that student is reading, then it is like that, हाँ मिस ने ये मेरे को दिया. Clear? By behavior, very much important. When you are happy, by seeing your face, by seeing your gestures, it is we are the front person is able to see that how you are happy, you are sad, you are rude, you are angry. All the things can be seen upon the behavior. कि मम्मी ने कुछ बोला कि भाई ये कर ले या फिर झाड़ू पोछा मार ले, नहीं करना है तुम लोगों को. I know you all don't want to do, but what do? You just make your faces or just angrily just go away from there, or just you will just stamp your feet and you will just go away. This shows your behavior, and this behavior is communicating with your mother or the front person that you are talking with. Clear? This sentence by ideas. Ideas means when I'm sharing the ideas. By thoughts, feelings, emotions, speech, signal, writing, and behavior. All these things are there when we are communicating with. Clear? Now see, in communication process, a sender, that is encoder, encodes a message and then uses a medium of channel. Now see this, huh? I am the sender. I am the sender and y'all are the receiver. I am talking to, I am A person and B person is the A person, sender, that you can say encoder. And B, this is receiver. It is known as decoder. Now, encoder means sender, that I am sending the message or I am communicating with B person, that is receiver. मैं बोल रही हूँ तुम लोग सुन रहे हो, that y'all are the receiver. Clear? Encoder means what? Who encodes the message? Now encodes the message means what? Just see this. Encoder is encoding the message means guys selection of words and languages. इसका मतलब क्या है? Selection of words and languages is nothing but जो receiver है ना, जिसे मैं मैसेज दे रही हूँ, जो बंदा है मेरी बात सुन रहा है, उसे कौन सी भाषा समझ में आती है वो भाषा चूज करके मैं वो वर्ड्स में और वो लैंग्वेज में आई विल स्पीक. दैट इज नोन एज एनकोडर. दैट इज एनकोडिंग अ मैसेज टू whom? टू द रिसीवर. थ्रू व्हाट? थ्रू मीडियम एंड चैनल. अरे मीडियम और चैनल मतलब क्या है? मीडियम एंड चैनल गाइस मीन्स नथिंग बट there are many types of channels through where I can communicate or send the message to the receiver. What is that? See this. Face to face. Right? फिर second क्या है? मैं face to face, you all are there. Second thing, on call. Third one, you can say by sending letter. Fourth one, you can say you can chat on WhatsApp. What is the fifth one? These are the mediums and channels from where the sender, the encoder, will send the message to what? To whom? The receiver. And the receiver is the person who decodes the message. Who decodes? Encodes. Sender is encoding. And receiver is decoding the message. Now, if I'm sharing my knowledge to you all, I know you all know the basic languages, that is Hindi, Marathi, and English. And as per your mother tongue, you all will be knowing Gujarati also, right? And many other languages, if you all will be known to. But if I talk to you in German, चलो just think कि मुझे जर्मनी आती है या फिर मुझे जर्मन लैंग्वेज आती है और मैं जर्मन में बात करती हूँ या फिर चाइनीज लैंग्वेज में बात करती हूँ, तो तुम लोग को समझ में आएगा? नहीं. You all don't know that particular language, and if I'm speaking also, it will go bouncing upon your head, right? So this is more important, that when a sender, guys, when a sender is sending or encoding the message, it is his or her duty, to select the language first and the words that the receiver can decode the message or understand the message and reply it again. Clear? अभी एक सिंपल एग्जाम्पल देती हूँ तुम लोगों को. तुम लोग का फ्रेंड सर्कल होगा. इन फ्रेंड सर्कल्स ऐसा नहीं है कि सब महाराष्ट्रियंस रहेंगे या फिर सब गुजराती रहेंगे. You all are like each and everyone are there. So mostly you all use the common language, that is Hindi, right? Because Hindi is the language where each and everyone will understand, right? अभी जिसे कोई पर्टिकुलर लैंग्वेज नहीं आती है वो ग्रुप में, अगर तुम लोग वो ग्रुप में बात करोगे वो लैंग्वेज से, तो वो एक दूसरे को समझ में आएगा नहीं आएगा. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, व्हेन आई एम स्पीकिंग आई शुड नो द पर्सन standing in front of me is what language and what words or what capacity is there for him to understand. Clear? That is, sender is the encoder and receiver is the decoder who decodes the message. Now what is the meaning of decodes the message? See this. Decoding the message means मैंने message दे दिया, as a sender I encoded the message. Now what receiver will do? Receiver will examine, evaluate and interpret. Clear? Now after examining, after evaluating, after interpreting, what decoder will do? He will send back again, sends back the appropriate feedback, replying using a medium of channel and source. Clear? क्या किया मैंने? एज ए एनकोडर मैसेज भेज दिया. रिसीवर ने क्या किया? व्हाट डिड रिसीवर डिड? ही एग्जामिन्ड. जस्ट इमेजिन, जस्ट वील इमेजिन दैट मैंने ईमेल भेजा था, right, in a particular language and words. The person receiver will understand I had written the mail in English language and I had sent the mail. Now what the encoder is receiving, decoder is receiving the message. It is decoding by what? By reading, by examining, by evaluating and by interpreting. All the three things he will do. If he is agreeing with the message, then what he will do? He will send me the reply. He will send me the appropriate feedback using the particular medium or the channel. Clear? Now, इसके अंदर भी there are different things. In this medium and channel, there are different things that are, see this, I am writing it below. That is, they will give response how? First one is verbal, or you can say non-verbal. Second is, you can say direct or indirect. Third, you will say the feedback can be positive or negative. These are the response: verbal or non-verbal, direct and indirect. Clear? Now, guys, viewers in, they will respond, right? When encoder is sending message, decoder is decoding, and when he or she is sending, or you can say as replying, how they are giving the response, they will give response by verbal or non-verbal, direct, indirect, or positive or negative. पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव रिस्पॉन्स वी नो, अगर वो रिप्लाई जो मैसेज मैंने भेजा है, इट कैन बी पॉजिटिव ऑल्सो एंड इट कैन बी नेगेटिव ऑल्सो. सेकेंड पॉइंट पे आते हैं, दैट इज डायरेक्ट एंड इनडायरेक्ट. डायरेक्ट में एक एग्जांपल अच्छे से देती हूँ. जस्ट व्हेन वी आर सेंडिंग एन लेटर, टू द रिसीवर, मैंने रिसीवर को लेटर भेजा है, बी पर्सन को लेटर भेजा है, मैंने लेटर लिखा, वो लेटर कब पहुंचेगा, वो लेटर कब एग्जामिन करेंगे, when he will evaluate, when he will interpret, and when after evaluating he will send me the feedback. It is a very much long process. It is direct, but it is a long process of direct communication. Now indirect communication की बात करें. In indirect communication, I can give you two examples. I'm having for direct also, just for making you all clear. For indirect communication, it is more important. Indirect communication, you can say as mass communication, mass communication means what? I am a lone sender and you all are many. Clear? You all are many. I am single. I am alone, the sender who is sharing or expressing the knowledge, and you all are listening to me. Right? When you all are not giving me the reply, you all are not giving me the response, but by seeing your face, or when you all are asking your doubts, that is called indirect communication. Presently you all are not here, but when you all are listening quietly, when you all are understanding it, what I am speaking and what I am trying to express and what I am trying to make you all understand, that is indirect mass communication. Clear? One more example. We are watching television, right? Just as an example, we watch news. जो तुम लोग कभी करते नहीं हो, but then do. When we watch the news channel or a particular any channel, XYZ channel, take this. When they are the sender, we are the receiver, and that too in a lot. मैं अकेली सिर्फ न्यूज थोड़ी देख रही हूँ, पूरी दुनिया देख रही है न्यूज. मैं उसे रिप्लाई दे सकती हूँ टीवी में. जैसे वो टीवी में न्यूज चैनल में चल रहा है कि आज ये होने वाला है, ये चीज हुआ है, and this the report they are giving. Can I communicate with them during the TV or during the channel is on or anything else? No, I cannot. But then too, it is called communication. Then too, it is called communication, guys. एक चीज बहुत अच्छे से तुम लोग को समझनी चाहिए, दैट कम्युनिकेशन इज, you can say as communication is a two-way street. एग्जाम्पल दो इसके ऊपर, लाइक सीजर, कैंची, इट इज अ टू वे स्ट्रीट. मैं अकेली बात करूंगी वो नहीं होगा. आई एम सेंडिंग, y'all are receiving and y'all are giving me a reply. It is a two-way street. Without replying, without response, there is no communication. पर अभी ये चीज मुझे बताओ कि टेलीविजन में अगर मैं रिप्लाई नहीं दे सकती, आई एम नॉट एबल टू रिप्लाई ओनली, देन हाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड अ कम्युनिकेशन? एज आई सेड कि जैसे आई एम नॉट एबल टू गिव देम द रिप्लाई when I'm watching the television, when I'm watching the news, or when I'm watching a particular serial or a movie or a cartoon and XYZ. There are many things in television that we can watch. But a television is a thing where I can't give the response, or I can't give, or I can't talk to them. Then how that particular channel is able to know that there is a communication or we are giving response to them? That is, you can say as TRP. इसका फुल फॉर्म क्या है? टारगेट रेटिंग पॉइंट, और you can say as television rating process. क्लियर? अभी न्यूज चैनल है, जी न्यूज को ले लो, जी बिजनेस को ले लो. आई एम वॉचिंग दिस थिंग्स, बट हाउ दे आर able to know by this TRP ratings. वो लोग के रेटिंग्स बढ़ते जाते. और एक एग्जांपल देती हूँ, जो रेगुलर चैनल्स अभी मोस्टली सैटरडे संडेज को कपिल शर्मा बहुत आता है, 9 साढ़े 9 बजे मोस्टली स्टार्ट होता है. I also do watch because you know he is something like he is making each and everyone laugh and happy. It is just for an entertainment purpose, and entertainment purpose we see it as good. But how he is able to come to know that he is in a watch, or his in that particular time each and every one are watching him? Because of this ratings, that is TRP. उसे TRP एक हाईएस्ट रेट पे मिलती है. बाकी जितने भी चैनल्स में जितने भी शोज हैं उस पे सबसे ज्यादा you will see then Kapil will be getting the TRP rate at most highest point. That's why his show is ongoing and ongoing, and this is third time that he came back again. That is non-verbal communication. Verbal means that we are talking to each other, you all are instantly giving me reply. That is verbal also, and that is direct also. Non-verbal and indirect means I'm not able to get the response. In non-verbal, if you will see, I'll connect this mass communication point there in non-verbal. In non-verbal, when I'm talking to you all, you all are able to understand what I'm saying. When you all are giving me the response of yes, no, I understood, and all that thing, that is verbal and that is direct communication. And if you all are not giving me response, but by seeing you all sitting quietly or by seeing your face, your facial expressions, your behavior, I can understand that you all are able to understand and you all are not able to understand. When I'm asking you all particular question, and when you all are not able to give a reply or a feedback, then I will understand that you all are not understood with a particular topic. And if you all are giving me the answer, it will become verbal communication, and I will understand also that you all have understood the particular topic. Clear? Now, the main steps. We'll come to the main steps inherent to all communications are the purpose or the reason for communication. What is the purpose? Purpose क्या है यार? Reason क्या है? मैं क्यों तुम लोग को बात कर रही हूँ? मैं क्यों? Why I am sharing my knowledge to you all? Why? The contents of the message. What I am going to make you all learn today. चलो purpose और reason decide हो गया कि I am teaching you all the BCR subject. You all have to give your CAF exams. So from today onwards, I am teaching you all this subject. ये purpose और reason decide हो गया. पर इसमें ये BCR subject में मुझे तुम लोग को क्या क्या पढ़ाना है? That is my content. That will be my message to you all. And by which medium? By which medium I am using? What medium I am choosing for conveying the message is what? Through internet or by written text, by speech, pictures, gestures, and so on. And all these things I am using today and every day to teach to you all. Written is this, I am writing and explaining to you all. By speech, I am talking to you all. By pictures, sometimes I am showing you all the pictures. You all are I'm sharing the image of the module, that is the picture. By internet, we are connected. By gestures, when I am explaining to you all, I am moving my hands, you can see my facial expressions. That is gestures. That is my medium of exchange for conveying the message to you all and sharing my knowledge to you all. And next, that is transmitting the message. I am giving you all the message, I'm sending you all the message, and after you all are getting the message, the messages are often misinterpreted due to external disturbance. बाहर disturbance होता है. When you all are sitting there, you all are getting noise. क्योंकि तुम लोग कभी भी शांत जगह पे नहीं बैठोगे, वहीं पे ही बैठोगे बीच में हॉल में, जहाँ पे एक जगह पे टीवी चालू रहेगा, एक जगह पे तुम लोग का छोटा भाई खेल रहा होगा, और एक जगह पे मम्मी खाना बना रही है, पापा आ रहे हैं, and there is much more chaos, and in that noise created by humans, traffic and natural forces, there is miscommunication or misinterpretation between us, right? And after that, you all are receiving the message, what I am explaining it to you all are decoding it. How? You all will examine it, you all are hearing it, you all are evaluating it, you all are just thinking it in your mind. What? That मैम ने जो बोला वो मुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं? All these things you all will understand, and after that you all will give me the response, right? Next is interpreting and figuring out what the receiver thinks in the real message. Clear? Now next is the process of communication. पूरा मैंने ये एक्सप्लेन कर दिया है. Just see this. Sender is sending the message through what channel? You all know the medium of channel what we are using. WhatsApp है, on call है, face to face है. You can say as on mail है, right? Regular message भी you all can say, on telephonic conversation भी हो सकता है. I use the medium of channel. There was disturbance, but the receiver got the message. He received. उन्होंने एग्जामिन किया, evaluate किया, interpret किया, and through he decoded it through the particular channel. And particular channel was what? Verbal, non-verbal, direct, indirect, or the reply will be positive or negative. And again, I will give the feedback to the sender, and again the circle will go on and on till the communication does not end. Clear? Now, types of communication. A good understanding of different types of styles of communication. A good understanding of different types and styles of communication can enhance your personal and professional relationship, resolve any misunderstandings, misconceptions, contribute to a successful business venture with a joyful personal life. जैसे guys, when I am talking of communication, it is not that you all are doing CA for तुम लोग CA कर रहे हो इसीलिए तुम लोग का communication अच्छा होना चाहिए. सबसे पहले you all are human beings. We are not animals. That animals are where that they don't know how to talk, where to fight, where to sleep and all the things. We all know everything. तो हमें ये भी पता होना चाहिए that how to communicate, कैसे communicate करना चाहिए. ऐसा मैंने पहले भी एग्जाम्पल दिया था तुम लोगों को कि ए और बी पर्सन का दिया. आई हैड गिवन यू एग्जाम्पल, बट A person is rude and B person is a joyful person, then any client will go to the B person only rather going to the A person, because A person is rude, B person is joyful person. Then everyone will enjoy working with the B person rather working with the A person. So when we are communicating, the communication should be very much free, very much easily understandable. It should be very much free. मैं कोई client को attend कर रही हूँ. It should be very much joyfully. I should be able to understand their problems. वो लोग क्यों आए हैं मेरे पास? I have to solve their problem and willingly I have to solve their problem. ऐसे नहीं है कि मैं घर पे से झगड़ा करके आई हूँ और ये गुस्सा मेरे क्लाइंट पे ही मुझे सब उतारना है. नहीं, ऐसा होगा तो वो क्लाइंट मुझे दूसरी बार नहीं, वो दूसरी सेकंड पे मुझे नहीं दिखेगा मेरे ऑफिस में. So it should be very much calm and you should enjoy your job when you all are doing it. Clear? अभी communication की बात करें तो communication should be good in and for your successful business venture, and very important for your joyful personal life. जैसे अभी तुम लोग घर पर हो when you all are talking to your parents, when you all are sitting, when you all want something, मम्मी ने ये नहीं बना के दिया तो तुम लोग का रूड बिहेवियर चालू हो गया, एंड यू ऑल आर नॉट टॉकिंग टू देम, यू ऑल आर बैक गिविंग देम आंसर्स, बैक आंसर्स. दिस इज नॉट a communication, or this is a not good communication with. अभी तुम लोग में क्या होता है पता है ना, it is like ईगो हर्ट होता है ना, कि मम्मी कुछ बोलेगी तुम लोग को कि टाइम टेबल बनाओ, ये पढ़ो, ये टाइम पे ही उठना है, वो ही टाइम पे पढ़ना है, इतना कंप्लीट होना ही चाहिए, 12 बज गया या रात को 1 बज गए पर ये इतना कंप्लीट होना चाहिए. मम्मी को मजा आ रहा है ना तुम लोग को परेशान करने में? नहीं, उनको परेशान करने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है, बट दे हैव ऑलरेडी फेस्ड प्रॉब्लम्स, इसीलिए वो लोग को नहीं चाहिए दैट यू ऑल should face the same problem as they are facing, so they are talking to you all like that. Clear? तुम लोग उनसे प्यार से बात करो, just talk to them. If your fault is there, no, or if your fault is not there, then to just say sorry कि मम्मी गलती हो गई, दूसरी बार मैं ध्यान रखूंगी. This is called a successful and good communication between your family and your personal life. If you will keep arguing and arguing and arguing, if you are going to fight with your brother and your siblings and just पूरा दिन घर पे यही चलता रहेगा, your mom will be tired, your parents will be tired, and like you yourself can't be calm, and you will not let anyone else also to be calm. So communication guys ऐसा होना चाहिए in personal life also, and when you all are going to run your own business also, and when you are going to attend your clients also, it should be that type of communication which should be understandable, it should be respectable, and it should be understandable and an easy language that a receiver should understand. और ये कम्युनिकेशन सबसे पहले सुधारनी है ना, तो घर से चालू होती है. तुम लोग पहले खुद को सुधारो, खुद के कम्युनिकेशन स्किल्स को, खुद के बात करने के तरीके को सुधारो कि कैसे बात करनी चाहिए. मम्मी ने बोला तेरी गलती है तो है भाई, मान लो गलती, फाइन. तुम लोग को कोई सूली पे नहीं चढ़ा देगा गलती करेंगे तो. तुम लोग को पता है कि मैंने गलती नहीं की है, बट डोंट ट्राई टू प्रूव योरसेल्फ एंड आर्ग्यू कि नहीं मम्मी मैंने ये नहीं किया है, मैंने ये था इसलिए मैंने. अरे यार इतना सारा एनर्जी क्यों वेस्ट कर रहे हो? Why this much of communication in this? No, just say sorry. The topic will end there only, and the communication will start with a fresh communication. Clear? This is known as communication, and this will give you a joyful first personal life. Your family will be happy, and the second most important thing, when you are successful in your personal life by communication, you can build a successful business also. Clear? Don't ever show the problems. Be ready with the solutions. Problem है, चलो solution निकालो. वो problem है तो उस पे से वो argument पे गए, ये problem कैसे आई, क्यों हुई. Don't think all these things, but just go for the solution. Clear? Now, see the next paragraph. Every person has her personal style of interacting with others. मेरी style अलग है, तुम लोग की अलग है, and each and every person will be having different interaction style or talking or communicating with other differently. In the process of communication, An individual uses manifold channels to convey the message. There are many types of channels. However, the effectiveness of the communication style depends upon whether the receiver has accurately interpreted intended ideas, thoughts, feelings, etc. And sometimes the speaker reveals more than he and she wish to convey through the tone, gestures, and therefore it is important to understand the different modes of communication. अभी ऐसा है ना कि मैंने सोचा कुछ और था, मैंने बोला कुछ और मुझे इतना ही बोलना था पर मैंने बहुत कुछ बोल दिया, होता है ना यार, मैं सोच के गई थी मुझे इतना ही बोलना है और मैं एक्साइटमेंट में आके मैंने कुछ ज्यादा ही बोल दिया. कभी मूवीज में भी देखा होगा कि वो लोग कुछ कोई सीन में वो ड्रामा करते हैं किसी को फूल बनाने के लिए एंड दे से अरे यार ओवर एक्टिंग मत कर, वो क्या एक्साइटमेंट में ही इज एक्टिंग एंड ही इज जस्ट शोइंग द ओवर एक्टिंग सीन, और वो तीसरा बंदा उसे बोल रहा है बहुत ओवर एक्टिंग हो गई, थोड़ी एक्टिंग कम कर दो. दिस इज द थिंग, हम लोग ने सोचा कुछ और था, आई स्पोक समथिंग एल्स एंड आई thought that I'll speak less, but I spoke more. This is the thing when the speaker is revealing more than he or she is wishing to convey. Clear? Now there are the broad categories of communication. What are they? First is verbal, non-verbal and visual. Verbal, non-verbal we know, visual also you all will understand. See this. In verbal, non-verbal, we'll see first based on purpose and style. Below purpose and style, we are having formal and informal. Clear? Now, in verbal, we are having written communication and oral communication. Written communication is nothing but where we are writing the letters, the documents, emails, reports, handbook, brochures, and various platforms like SMS and any form of written interaction between the people. Right? Where just in the last lecture, we had completed our letters, memos, circular writings, and all the things. All these things will come in written communication. In oral communication, what you will go for spoken words, either we are face to face, telephonically, voice chat, video conferencing, and chit chatting, we are gossiping. This is the part of the oral communication. Verbal communication is the easiest, fastest, and the most successful form of communication. Yet surprisingly, according to research, it comprises of only 7% of all human communication. Sirf 7% of humans are using this verbal communication. बाकी सब क्या करते हैं? Non-verbally, we understand each other. See this. The research estimates that physical non-verbal communication accounts for 55% of all communication. Like what? Examples दिया है देखो. Smiles, frowns. जैसे हम forehead पे हमारा forehead tension में होते हैं तो हमारा frown हो जाता है. Then pursing of lips, clenching of hands, transmitting emotions which are not expressed through verbal communication. जैसे किसी को लगता है कि मुझे आज रोना ही आ रहा है, जैसे किसी को लगता है कि मुझे सिर्फ आज हंसना ही है, मुझे मेरे पास आज बहुत खुशी है, then I am just smiling. कुछ टेंस वाली न्यूज आ गई, then I am just tensed, I'll show my frowns. Right? There are many things that we'll see, and these things, that is 55% of people or more than that are using this non-verbal communication. Clear? Physical non-verbal communication and individual body languages, that facial expression hai, gestures hai, tone of voice, the pitch, right? The pitch, the touch, the physical signals constitute this type of communication. For example, leaning forward may mean friendliness, acceptance, and interest, while crossing arms can be interpreted as agnostic and defensive posture. Right? Friendliness means हम अपने फ्रेंड्स को मिलते हैं तो अभी बहुत टाइम के बाद तुम लोग मिले हो तो यार जल्दी से तुम लोग एक दूसरे को हक कर लोगे, तुम लोग एक दूसरे को देख के फेशियल जेस्चर्स, बहुत खुशी के फेशियल एक्सप्रेशंस दोगे. एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू टॉक टू अ पर्टिकुलर पर्सन, you will just turn your back, you will give a defensive posture and xyz more. Clear? Now next is paralanguage. What is paralanguage? Paralanguage is nothing but the tone that you are using. Paralanguage is what? Tone. Pitch. Now, when I'm talking to you, when I'm talking normally, my behavior is normal, my tone is normal. When I'm asking you all about some homework, your assignments you all have not completed, I just shout at you all. You all are going to get your assignments today and you all have to submit it today. And if you all are not submitting it, you all have to write this 5 times. This is the change of pitch. This is the change of tone that I have turned into the anger. ये क्या हो गया? मैंने मेरा tone change कर दिया. By changing the tone, by changing the pitch of my tone, you all will understand that what I am trying to send you the message. The style of speaking, the tone, the stress, or you can say the quality or the message that I want to pass it on to you, this paralanguage, the tone will pass it on to you. If I'm happy, I'll talk to you normally. I'll talk to you joyfully. But if you all have not completed your assignment, you all are not attending your lectures regularly, then my tone will change. And by that change of tone, you all will understand something is fishy. Clear? Next is aesthetic communication. Aesthetic communication is nothing but when we are happy or when we are sad. Some people or someone are enjoying by dancing, painting, sculpturing, by hearing the music, and these are the things by the means of communication. जैसे कोई उदास है, चलो ये एग्जांपल ले लो, तुम लोग को हंसना तो आएगा, बट फिर भी बॉयफ्रेंड गर्लफ्रेंड का ब्रेकअप हो गया है, हंसो, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बॉयफ्रेंड एंड गर्लफ्रेंड का ब्रेकअप हो गया है, वो दोनों जन बहुत इमोशनल है, बहुत उदास है, और वो ऐसे ही गाने सुनेंगे जो वो लोग के इमोशंस को ट्रिगर करेंगे. वो साथ देते हैं ना वो सॉन्ग्स, जैसे पर्टिकुलर सिंगर्स होते हैं जो सैड सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं, लवर सॉन्ग्स गाते हैं, जो इसको सपोर्ट करते हैं, वो वही म्यूजिक सुनेंगे. जिसे डांस करना पसंद है तो वो डांस उस हिसाब से वो सॉन्ग पे डांस करेंगे. इफ दे आर हैप्पी दे विल चूज हैप्पी सॉन्ग, इफ दे आर सैड दे विल चूज सैड सॉन्ग. जिसे पेंट करना है तो वो पेंटिंग करेंगे, जो गुस्सा है ना तो वो भयानक मॉन्स्टरियस पेंटिंग्स करेंगे. एंड दोज हु आर हैप्पी they will make a good painting, a scenario painting they will make. So this depends upon the communication, and these are the things, aesthetic communication, you can say that by these things you can communicate. वो बंदा डांस कर रहा है, अच्छे से खुशी से डांस कर रहा है, तो उसे देख के ही पता चलेगा कि भाई ये खुश है, he is happy. He is dancing on a sad song, और वो म्यूजिक सुन सुन के वो रो रही है, तो क्या लग रहा है? अरे यार इसे कुछ हुआ है, ये गाने कैसे सुन रही है देख. So it is the thing, by this I am able to understand what you all are thinking and what it is going in your mind. Appearance, your grooming, a well-dressed person, a groomed person is presumed to be organized, methodical, and whereas a sloppy and shabby person fails to make a favorable impression. जैसे हम बोलते हैं first impression is the last impression. So whenever you all are going for an interview, for your first interview, you will just go in a well dressed, or you will be a well groomed person, because your first impression is the last impression, right? तो बहुत अच्छा दिखना है, बहुत अच्छे से बोलना है. So that is called as appearance. और तुम लोग के appearance से ही वो सामने वाले बंदे को पता चलेगा कि ये भाई ये परफेक्ट है. Clear? Next is symbol. Symbols as religious status और ego building symbols. क्यों ये सब बीच में, ये सब है ही नहीं. We are happy with all the religions and all the status. क्यों ego build up होता है, क्यों हम difference create करते हैं. We don't need to make difference. Each and everyone are equal and we are brothers and sisters. हम लोग के pledge में भी लिखा है that all are brothers and sisters. So क्यों ये religious status आता है, फिर ego build up होता है? Nothing. We are everyone, we are equal and we are with each other, right? Next is visual communication. Visual aids होता है, जैसे साइंस से हम बात करते हैं, टोपोग्राफी होता है, ड्राइंग है, ग्राफिक डिजाइन है, illustrating colors and other electronic resources, reinforces written communication, etc. Visuals like graphs, pie charts and other diagrammatic presentations. जैसे तुम लोग जब भी कोई प्रेजेंटेशन बनाते हो या फिर बिजनेस में जब भी जॉब पे लगोगे तब बात करोगे, you all have to make a project, तो ये विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन ज्यादा काम आएगा. विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन एंड ओरल कम्युनिकेशन, ये दो चीज है जो सबसे ज्यादा you all will communicate with it. Clear? There are an essential part of official presentations these days. Clear? Guys, यहां तक मैं कंप्लीट कर रही हूँ. फॉर्मल एंड इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन से हम नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में कंटिन्यू करेंगे. ओके, बाय बाय.